How many hours do you work in your Etsy business? It varies a lot now, purely because I'm focusing a lot more on kind of the operational side of things and hiring staff members. Recently, honestly, not that much. The past like month and a half, 2 months, I've been kind of traveling. I've been doing a bunch of different stuff, and I've mainly focused on kind of networking and the higher level things, like thinking about and talking with people, like where should I put my money, like what's gonna happen, kind of as stuff changes in the global economy, like bigger things. So actually within the business, really not much time. Maybe like 2 hours a day. But I have been doing it 2 years. So I don't expect to do like 100K profit per month with 2 hours a day in like 2 months. Don't expect that shit. It's gonna take you a while to get to that point. And I have many managers that manage VAs and stuff like this and manage even UK employees. And that's why I'm able to do this, basically. That's why I'm able to fuck around and do whatever the fuck I want. Yeah.
Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.